shi benta ka jing Rakhe ka jingdap sanpho snem ne Golden Jubilee ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kala pelong da ka inter-school choir competition halor ka phang celebrate the past, embrace the present and rise to the future. Kabala long ha ususu tham auditorium ha ka khatwai terek urisao. Ha ka ni ka jingiakop rwai ken huan lawan yeshim benta pratali ki skul na East Jante Hills District. Ha ka ni ka jingiakop rwai ya ka nam la do la yora da ka Syllad Higher Secondary School ringkat ka song pisa ka balai pau hajar tingka. Ya ka kerdan baar bat balai la job da ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School bat ka Kiddies Corner Higher Secondary School. Bat kila yora ya ka song pisa ka baar pau hajar bat khatsan hajar tingka. Ha ka ni ka sngi la sam ya ka khusnam shakin nongjam da u executive chairman ka MBOSE u CP Marang u joint director MBOSE Shillong u ba McDonald Marbanyang ha ka jingyadon ringkat lang kinong hikai skul na ki skul bapher ki kimi ki pa ki khynnah skul bat ki wei kinong bishar ha ka ni ka jingiakop rwai ki long u ba bi latam ka kong pi wajri bat u ba w nong sien haba yakran chikilat phathai khubor u joint director MBOSE Shillong u ba M Marbanyang ulayathu ba ka MBOSE menta usnam kala pelong ya ki program bapher banle kmen ya ka jinya yanti basan phosnam uba Marbanyang ulayathu ru ba ka Syllad Higher Secondary School ka bajab ha ka jingiakop rwai kan rwai ha ka khat khandai terik urisau ar hajar ar pulai hatura ha ka sngi penkot ya ka jing Rakhe Jubilee.
I was in the office and I was in the secretariat when I got the message that all the participating choir, they have brought the house down. They have enthralled the audience so much that they said, "Sir, please come." so that was the impact that you have generated, and I just could not resist, and I said, "Okay, I will come, and then I will attend to my other assignments after the program is over." So that is the impact that we have created today. It is not just a performance, but the passion with which we have sung the songs and the talents which have been nurtured, and in spite of the short notice that we gave you, hardly 3 weeks or net time available for the schools, probably would have been about 2 weeks also, and yet within this very short time that you have come with such a sterling performance and rendering of the songs, some original, some originally composed, some of course sung from the existing plethora of songs which we have chosen, including songs which were sung to highlight the theme of the celebration. What is the theme of the celebration? Celebrate the past, embrace the present, and rise to the future. I extend a warm welcome and also to express a word of thanks to each one of you, the schools who have responded, particularly for this function relating to choir, singing, and music. We are here to mark a momentous occasion in the journey of the state. Last year, we celebrated 50 years of the state of Meghalaya attaining a full-fledged position or a condition. Before that, way back in 1969, we were an autonomous state, and 1972, we were given a full-fledged state, which we celebrated. I believe some of you will remember the celebrations which took place last year. A year after we have attained our full-fledged statehood, the Meghalaya Board of School Education came into existence or being by an act of the Assembly of Meghalaya in 1973. So that is the background because of which it was felt that we should celebrate this journey of the Board of School Education, which has impacted lives right from 1973 with about 3,300 students who appeared for class 10 to now around more than 30,000 students who were appearing in various exams conducted by the board, including both class 10 as well as class 12.
Cũng có fit đi và cái jala cái chung ni cái yo cái jala le jom dau snem kan dai spa ni doa. Pada hadin baklayo cái jala cái jom ke sarkar Meghalaya ru kelas dan no ya ke school education board kapo ke state ke jom ni. Pada ya usnem kat kan dai spa nyo polai aga kat kan dai tarik Oktober ke government ke sasdan ya ke deka state education board ke bagi akateng ke Meghalaya board of school education. But mentas snem arajar apulai kelalong san snem. De kumban bisa aja kan mau ya kata jingdap san snem. Ila pelong ya ki program ki befer. Ki pelong hang shalom hatura hajuai William Nagar buat komita ter. But mentas ni pelong ya kini choir competition hang national ya ki school hang national kumtu. But ngisngu tenat bagi khynnah ki sim bentama. But kerukam rwai jungki ke level rwai jungki ke bala so tenat pha do kata bani baro kila so tenat pha bangin penkut ya gani ke celebration haka khat khandai tarik bunai Oktober in pelong hatura ke bari headquarter jom ke MBOSE the ya ke bagi la khot ya chief minister Madon Buram sawan penyedan mereka bangin sepenkut ya ke jing Rakhe haka tugas ni hari jing sha nomor ba kapor ke bakhapnya tengi klemla ban khot shibun ke skul ni kam khot bun ki skul ya kitu ki we ki competition ki bagi ladam ya mentas ki ngi khot tam ki ban ni khot spotli tang ba artli ki lagi daw bom la kiyar ki la pentip ba kim la man poi de pratli ki lawan ta ski ka subject musik la don lupa menta tang balong ni dang ai tang ya ki kelas 11 ba 12 tahot ka de ka ba pi tingin hak perkhat di menta ka perkhat ban seluruh ki kena bakin shim ni kani kum ke subject dan ke kelas ke badang rit kum jo keding ekran ya kata kadang ya sya kalau bon ba menta bat kelas 10 bat kelas 12 ke bele exam ke long silak tam tanki mencuah ke por badang sedang te da bon eru tan lai pasal spa bon lagi tu di por te da bon ke school tan lai pro supposedly menta te school ke ar hajar tam ke bele ya ka ke ba bukan apa kila ke jo Meghalaya kalau don sisa ke jengkiu ke krau ba hadir ke san posnem kat kum kani ke juk ke mentangin hapen le ikum ta ni ke juk pen krek kina ya cha ikum tu bagi nget scam ba in la ban kampen ba sho ni ke juk aji sakri ki khynnah ni ke jalahi ba